Hi everyone! Join me for this class if you just got your period or you are at the beginning of your period and you are suffering of some of the symptoms that often accompany menstruation, like lower back pain or tummy issues, even headaches, anxiety and some stress, or just not feeling completely yourself as we often do during period. It's just a time to slow down, have some rest and maybe tune in and see what's coming up in your mind, what's going on in your body, both mentally and physically. Please do have a bolster at hand if you don't have any. A couch cushion, bed pillow will also do the work. I won't be talking much today as I really want you to have the time to yourself, to create a nourishing space, to have some quiet time for yourself. And I will be naming the poses only. So you should be familiar enough with yoga to know how to get into the pose safely, how to get out safely, and that's all I'm gonna be saying today. So let's begin lying down on our backs. We don't need the prop for the first two poses, and we will just start with some knee circles, just to warm up a little bit before we really get into the practice. And as this is a yin yoga practice, we will be holding each pose for about 3 to 4 minutes. Switch direction of the knee circles. Might feel really good to massage the belly, the lower back. And once you finish the last circle, you can stop in the middle and bring the soles of the feet together to touch for reclined butterfly. And you can place your hands onto your lower belly to feel the connection with your womb. And once you've settled and you find the position, you can close your eyes and start tuning in and turning within. You can come out of the pose and grab the prop and place it underneath the lower back, coming into supported bridge pose. So knees remain bent and nothing changes much in the upper body. You can lift your hips to remove the prop and then slowly, not necessarily gracefully, come out and come all the way up. Coming onto the hands and knees to prepare for wide-legged child's pose. So knees as wide as you want them to be. And you can sit back onto the heels. You can use the prop and place it in front of you just to make it more accessible, more restorative. And you can place the upper body onto the bolster. Use your hands to help you lift yourself up and come out of the pose. And come to take a seat. Place the legs wide apart for straddle. And as we did in the child's pose, again you can use the prop in front of you just to be a bit higher up and not to put too much stretch into the legs. Or you can also fold all the way down, so it really depends how you are feeling. During period we often feel more stiffness, so don't push yourself and don't go too far, it's really not necessary. We want to feel nice, we want to give our body rest and a bit of a stretch. Nothing that we want to prove here. There is no judgment. Just you taking some time for your body, for your well-being. And relax everything that doesn't have to work right now. So the whole upper body, the neck, the head, they are all heavy and relaxed. Like we did before, use your hands to come out of the pose. And you can set the prop aside and come to take a seat any way that is comfortable for you. Place your hands in front of the heart. Once more, close your eyes. And with these short practices, I usually skip Shavasana, as I want you to be able to do them even when you don't have much time. But if you have this extra time, you can lie down in Shavasana and take some rest for as long as you need to. Take a few more deep breaths in here, in and out through the nose. And remember that every period is an end, of course, but it also is a new beginning, a new opportunity. Your whole new cycle is starting again. So try to process all the feelings, emotions running through you right now. And be ready to face this new opportunity with a bit of hope. And I thank you for joining me today. Namaste. I hope it felt good to you during your period. Just let me know in the comments how it felt. And I hope to see you again practicing with me soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a nice day. Bye.